जुड़े रहें NN वार्ता के साथ।
Assam enforcement officer arrested in coal scam. Akhil Gogoi on Thursday said that they would roar like lions on the assembly floor. Assam enforcement officer arrested in coal scam. Superintendent of Police Kachar Ramandeep Kaur has launched operations to tackle and deal with the smugglers and the coal mafias. Enforcement Inspector Bhaba Kalita was arrested by the Kachar police for this claimed involvement in the illegal coal smuggling racket. Operations have been launched by the Kachar police against the hostilities of coal smuggling in the Barak Valley. As per sources, Gumrah in Kachar district was the legal smuggling gateway for the smugglers. Due to the high involvement of the corrupted police officials, it was later found that the coal was transported in the loaded trucks which were given easy passage by them. The arrested police officer was in charge of the Garkhal. Operations to tackle and deal with the smugglers and the coal mafias. There was a total reshuffling of officials in Gumrah and Katigarh. The existing officials were transferred to different places. The arrested police officer was later interrogated for more than 24 hours on available documents and informations against the alleged involvement. Another accused coal mafia Kari Tahir Ahmed was also taken into custody. Illegal coal mining and transportations in Northeast has been height of the region. There was a firm ban on illegal coal mining by the Congress government back in 2014. The All Dimasa Students Unions and Dima Hasao District Committee formulated a petition which was the base of the ban on mining. The petition stated that the illegal mining was gradually turning the Kopeli River acidic. Unfortunately, the ban has not been fully respected and parts of the northeast region still experience illegal mining and destructions of livelihoods. The ban over the years has resulted in more than 600 crores loss for the state. Government and locals near Jaintia Hills depended on the mining, which therefore affected their lives in various ways as well. Newsdesk report. Lashing out of Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, Raijor Dal President and Shiv Sagar Independent MLA Akhil Gogoi on Thursday said that they would roar like lions on the assembly floor if their party candidates win in the upcoming by-polls in the Thowa and Marina constituencies. Gogoi appealed to the voters to cast their votes for the candidates who have an uncompromising stand and said that they would shake Chief Minister Sarma in the assembly floor if their number of MLA becomes 3. Among them, myself will be one. If it happens, we could shake Himanta Biswa Sarma on the assembly floor. It would be only done by us. Only we could resist communal forces. The Congress and the AIUDF could not do it. He added, Gogoi also urged the people to elect the Raijor Dal candidates for the overall well-being of the state. By-polls will be held in 5 assembly constituencies of this state including Mariani and Thaura on October 30, 2021. The Election Commission of India has announced that the by-polls to the Assembly and Lok Sabha seats will be held on October 30, 2021. The by-polls will be conducted to fill the vacancies in the 30 Assembly constituencies and 3 parliamentary constituencies. This includes the Union Territories of Dadra and Nagar Haveli, the Daman and Diu, Madhya Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh. The Election Commission stated it has made the decisions to hold the by-polls election after taking into the consideration many factors after reviewing the situation related to the pandemic, flood, festivals, good conditions in certain regions and feedback from concerned states, union territories. Newsdesk report. Thanks for watching NN Varta Northeast.